I'm sharing with you how to make a masala omelette, a delicious Desi style egg omelette flavored with Indian spices, vegetables, herbs and cheese. So let's get started. For making masala omelette you need 2 eggs, brown or white ones whatever you prefer, half to 1 tablespoon oil, or you can use butter or a little bit of both. Then for the spice blend, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/8 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And for the veggies, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 2 tablespoon chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon chopped capsicum, half of a green chili chopped, which is optional, a sprinkling of chopped coriander, which is again optional, and a little grated cheese. In a small bowl, break the eggs, add in the spice powders and salt and mix everything together using a whisk or a fork. Once the spice powders are mixed in, add in the chopped vegetables and even green chili and chopped coriander leaves if you're adding it, and mix them in too. Also, I go with these veggies because I almost always have them on hand. You can go with whatever you prefer in the quantities you like. Then in a skillet, preferably of cast iron, add about half the quantity of oil you're planning to use. Spread it over the skillet and lightly heat it up for 30 to 60 seconds. Now pour the egg mixture in the skillet, spreading out the veggies a bit if you want to, and then add the shredded cheese on the top before the mix starts getting cooked. Cover and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat till the cheese has melted and the bottom has firmed up a little. Then flip the egg to the other side and now add the rest of the oil or butter from the sides. Cook for another minute or so till the egg is fully cooked, and then turn off the heat and take the omelette off the pan. And there you have it, delicious Desi style masala omelette. Serve hot with regular sliced bread, Indian pav or even roti, and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!